Hi, in this tutorial we will take a look at the expert interface in InStep Studio. Start the application and select the expert interface option. The application workflow is generally from the left to the right. Several tab pages can usually be skipped. Each tab page contains a group of related tools. Start off by opening a file. Choose the Blocks Tutorial3 file that is available online. All of these tutorials together with the example files are available on the InStep web help page. The application will check each file during import. If it determines that there are shapes that are disconnected, it will ask what to do. You can set this to automatically split data each time or to skip this step each time. The default is to ask each time. Once the data is split, each body is shown in a different color. To get more information about the bodies, click the Info button. This will tell you how many bodies and the total number of features. This also provides the size of the box that can hold all bodies. Now switch to the Bodies tab. The right-click menu shows the available options for the selection. Deleting a body removes the data from memory and makes working with files easier. Now select a second body. Using the Delete All Others option is a quick way to focus on a particular body. Now we have just a single body to work with. Generally, it is recommended to work with one body at a time. Now switch to the Features tab. Take a look at the default settings, then click the Preview option. Once the features have been detected, the view updates to show what type of features have been found. It is always a good idea to review the types of features detected and whether they are, as expected. Turning individual features on or off can help in the review. Using the Alt and E keyboard shortcut, turns edge visibility on or off. This helps in evaluating what features have been detected. The Random Colors option sets each feature to a different color. Otherwise, features are colored by their type. If the random color is not suitable, turning this off and then on again changes the colors. Once happy with the detected features, click Apply to make the conversion, or Cancel to clear the detected items. Now, go back to the Bodies tab. Select the body. Note that the tools are not available as they only operate on polygon data. Right-click anywhere to open the menu. Click on the Change Color button. And pick a color to apply to all features. The selected color is maintained when the file is exported to STEP. To export the current data, switch to the Export tab. And click the STEP button. Choose the export file name and click Save. Once exporting completes, the message window shows the final file size and the status label shows Ready. This completes Tutorial 3. Please subscribe to this channel for other tutorials, and thumb it up if you enjoyed it. Please also follow us on Twitter at InStepDev.